How to use Claude with WordPress for web designers. Web design has completely changed, not slowly, but completely. What used to take days of planning, wireframing, writing, and coding can now be done in the matter of hours if you know how to use AI properly. And one of the most powerful combinations right now is using Claude alongside WordPress. But here's the thing. Most designers are using this combination at a very basic level, just generating text or asking random questions. Now that's not where the real value is. In this tutorial, we're going to break down a full workflow from planning a website to designing layouts to writing content to building inside WordPress. And by the end of this, you will understand how to use Claude not as a shortcut, but as a whole system. So let's get one thing clear first. Claude does not replace WordPress. You're still building the website inside WordPress. Claude acts as your polished assistant, okay? It helps you think, plan, generate, and properly refine. Now, instead of doing everything, and I mean everything manually, what you're going to do is you're going to collaborate with AI, and that is basically going to shift your whole role. You're no longer just a designer, you're directing the system. So, before you open WordPress, you plan. Now, this is where most designers are going to rush, and it shows in their final work. Instead, you start with Claude. Now, you're going to define what type of website you're building, who the target audience is, what pages are needed, and what are the goals of the site. So let's say I'm going to write, I need your help with building a WordPress site. Okay, we're going to do that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead and write, I'm building, let's go with a fitness tracker website. Once you write that in, now who the target audience is, let's go with target audience is gym freaks, and let's go with athletes. Okay, then we can go with what pages are needed. The pages that you can need for this are, let's go with tracker, then there is contact, and you know what we provide. And you could go with something like reservation. Okay, let's go with that. Now, once that is done, you're finally going to go ahead and tell the goal. So the goal of the site is to, give athletes the proper tracking they need for their regimen. So once we've done this, we're going to go ahead and send it in. Now, once, of course, we send it in, as you can see, it starts loading things in. So we're going to wait for the code to obviously write itself down. So it says, now let me build you a comprehensive WordPress site mockup design for your fitness tracker website. So it starts setting the PR. Now, it will generate a structured page hierarchy. Now, this is basically going to become your blueprint. Okay, and of course, you're going to keep on asking it to track and use this blueprint to give you the, proper concurring idea. And of course, once all of this is actually done, once all the coding has gone through, and as you can see, it goes ahead and creates everything that is necessarily needed. What's going to happen today is from there on out, it will go ahead and give you the blueprint. Now, once you have the blueprint, you're going to start creating layout ideas. Okay, instead of opening a builder and guessing layouts, you use Claude to generate structure. You can ask for homepage layout breakdown, section ideas, content hierarchy, user flow, and all these other types of features. So look at this. Now, this is a basic mockup concept that, your general Claude code has given you. Now, this is a concept that you can use. Okay, it's going to show you different things it needs. So we have a home, tracker, what we provide, reservation, contact us, and then obviously there's join now. So obviously, according to this, you can create your layout, break it down, according to whatever you want or whatever you have, section these ideas, content, your hierarchy, and flow the users. Because, it's going to give you the proper direction, and that whole direction will save your time. That's the whole point of Claude. Okay, so moving on. Now we get into the most time-consuming parts, okay, which is going to be your content. So with Claude, you can actually go ahead and create proper contents for yourself. So as you can see, it also shows you things, and including the pages that it built. So here's the homepage. Everything looks pretty cool. Then moving on, there's the tracker, which has all of the tracking right here, what Claude provides, reservations, where they have given a proper contact form, and a contact us page that looks something like this. Now, moving on, you can go ahead and have it create your website content like your homepage copy and about page content. But you're probably wondering, how do you implement this into your WordPress? Okay, so you can use themes as Blocksy or GeneratePress and use different Elementor or Bricks builders to do this. Or what you can do is you can come over to customize. Once you come to customize, you're going to go to connectors. Now in connectors, you're going to click on plus and you're going to hit browse connectors. Once we hit browse connectors, it's going to open this up where it's going to give you a lot of different options to work with. So in our case, we're going to go ahead and write WordPress. And as you can see, it says secure AI access to manage your WordPress site. Now, through this, you can manage and create your WordPress site through a conversation with Claude. You can ask Claude to find a post, check your data, draft something new, update a page, or pull up a comment thread. Your site stays secure, and Claude only gets access to what you approve or anything else. And these are the tools that are provided. Site plugin, site comment search, site statistics, and everything. So it's an even better idea to connect this with your Claude, because connecting your WordPress with your Claude is an incredible idea if you want a valid and pretty clean workflow up and running. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to hit approve on that. Now, once you click approve, what you're going to do is you're going to simply wait for the things to load in. Okay. And once everything has loaded in, simply hit open. And once you hit open in your Claude application right here, it's going to tell you that your sign-in is going to be complete. And look at that. So Claude is basically going to reload its, settings and database. And the whole authorization with the correct MCP server is done. And look at this. Here we have our WordPress. And obviously, once it's connected, you can go ahead and track more things for yourself where you can generate code and custom elements for your workspace as well on WordPress. Now, if you want to get into the real technicalities, you can also use Claude Code. Okay, so you can ask it to, create a landing page of a fitness tracker, and you could say publish it to my WordPress site. You can ask Claude Code to do this, and what Claude Code does is it actually does exactly what you ask it to do. So it creates a whole landing page and it sends it directly to your code. Okay, and obviously it will take a few details. So it says I need a few details to publish to your WordPress website. Now it's going to ask you your WordPress website URL, username and application password to generate one in WordPress. You can go ahead and get application passwords, which is your API. And once you've gathered these things, you're simply going to give it to Claude, and Claude can even directly go ahead and create a landing page on your website through its manual. So those are all the great ways where you can pretty much use Claude with WordPress. And it's not about cutting corners. It's about working smarter. You plan faster, build faster, and refine faster. And over time, you produce better websites with less effort. So if you're a web designer and not using AI in your workflow yet, you're already behind. Start simple, build your process, and improve it over time. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.